in every particular genre, even in this thing.
Absolutely, and we welcome that decision from the High Court. Kudos to them for allowing actual democracy and actual freedom. I mean, we are in an India where we're allowed to decide who rules the country, but can't decide what film we want to watch. So I'm totally for certification over censorship, and we are all hoping that that's what the next obvious step is going to be from the Information and Broadcasting Ministry. And they're pretty cool. I mean, we had some interaction with them, and they were very helpful and very supportive. So we have no complaints at all.
हम लोग सोच रहे वापस रीसेंसर के लिए भेज दें.
We can add some more scenes. And there can be no saturation on sex comedies. So it will never be, and we'll keep on making it. But I would like to use this platform and thank Balaji for supporting us to make this picture and backing us. I want to thank my friend Anand Bhai, Markan Bhai here, who gave us full support to make this picture, who were with us. Without their Balaji and these guys' support, it would not have been possible. And above all, Ritesh, who had sworn that I will not do a sex comedy. But मेरा मासूम चेहरा देखकर he agreed.
Me too.
And हाँ, ये भी बेचारी आई पहली बार मिलने और मुझे देख के डर गई और भाग गई. 3 महीने तक
सर, अक्सर लड़कियों के साथ ऐसा क्यों होता है?
मेरी बीवी इधर बैठी है.
Sorry मैम, sorry मैम.
ये आई, मैं बोला यार यही, जैसे मैंने कहा भूतनी के रोल में इससे बेटर कोई नहीं होगा, ये बहुत अच्छी दिखती है और इससे बेटर कोई नहीं हो सकता. बट फिर ये डर के भाग गई. फिर 3 महीने के बाद मैं इसको ट्रैक करता रहा. हमारे तुषार हीरा नंदानी साहब उनके पीछे पड़े रहे, सोनू साहब भी जानते हैं, और फाइनली इसको पकड़ के लाए, इसको कन्विंस किया कि भाई ये वल्गर पिक्चर नहीं है, ये थोड़ी सी वल्गर है. इतनी वल्गर नहीं जितनी आप सोच रही है, एंड लॉट मोर फनी है. फिर इनको फिर कहानी सुनाई और तब ये राजी हुई काम करने के लिए. और मैं ये आपको फ़ख्र से कहता हूँ कि आफ्टर ए लॉन्ग टाइम एक बहुत कमाल की एक्ट्रेस के साथ मैंने काम किया है. फैंटास्टिक. ये तीनों तो माइंड ब्लोइंग है, लेकिन ये चौथी भी माइंड ब्लोइंग मिल गई.
Hello.
थैंक यू.
और हमारी फिल्म में और 3 भी एक्ट्रेसेस हैं जो अभी प्रेजेंट नहीं है, एंड वीड लाइक टू से दैट they were also fantastic to work with. They all did a great job.
So my question is to Urvashi.
Thank you so very much for all those kind words, and it's a very big thing for me. Thank you.
Urvashi, this side.
there.
I'm Karan Chabra from AVS.
Thank you.
So my question to you is, out of your 3 co-stars, choose one who is very great in real life, one who's very grand in his lifestyle, and one who does the most masti.
Hey brother, this is not Coffee with Karan here. It's a press conference so great can masti hai.
That's
Putting
a
her
masti
on a
question.
spot.
That's a masti.
But a good question, man. Good question.
Thank you.
What was your question, by the way?
Choose one out of your 3 co-stars.
Okay.
Choose one who is very great in real life,
Okay.
one who lives life in a very grand style,
Okay.
and one who does the most masti.
But all 3 of them are like same. What all characteristics you gave me. They all are great, and they all live their life in a grand way, and they all do loads of masti on set.
She's not winning the helper. right?
Now you know she was Miss India twice.
Yes.
And we know she has a political career ahead.
No.
हेलो इंद्र कुमार जी से है मेरा सवाल.
वहाँ.
हाँ जी, दिख रहा है.
आपने अपने पूरे करियर में एक से एक हिट फिल्म्स दिए हैं, लेकिन आप मस्ती की ही सब सीक्वेंस बना रहे हैं. इसकी कोई खास वजह है?
अभी मैंने थोड़े दिन पहले एक फिल्म अटेम्प्ट की थी, सुपर नानी. तो आपने देखा ना क्या हुआ. तो
सर धमाल भी बनाई थी हम लोगों ने सीक्वल.
अरे बाबा, लेकिन अभी इनका तो ग्रैंड मस्ती से सवाल था ना.
हाँ नहीं कि ग्रैंड मस्ती के अलावा बोला ना आपने.
हाँ, तो अलावा तो वो थी ना अभी. तो मस्ती धमाल ये छोड़ के मैंने कुछ ट्राई किया, तो आपने देखा रिजल्ट क्या है. तो मैं बैक टू ग्रैंड मस्ती आ गया, और मैंने जैसे कहा ना, रितेश को जाके मैंने कन्विंस किया कि तुझे ये फिल्म मेरे लिए करनी ही पड़ेगी मेरे दोस्त.
तो मतलब आपके हिसाब से आज के टाइम में सीरियस मूवीज का कोई दौर ही नहीं है?
नहीं है ना. अभी हो सकता है कि अभी जैसे अभी ये हमारी फिल्म आई नीरजा, लोगों को पसंद आई ना, तो ऐसा कोई जगह नहीं है, नहीं हर एक के लिए जगह है, मोटे के लिए भी जगह है, दुबले के लिए भी है, अच्छे के लिए भी है, बुरे के लिए भी है.
Yes, we'll take one last question. One
Hi.
last question.
Hi,
from
Indra
there.
sir. I'm Sunil from Movie Talkies. I would like to ask you that last time when Grand Masti came, you enacted scenes for your actors. So did this time also happen the same?
हाँ,
Helping
they pull my leg.
You know
They
what?
tell me कि हमको आप
ये-
परफॉर्म करके दिखाइए,
ये
और मैं भी
picture
कैरिड
करते ही
अवे हो
खुद
जाता हूँ और
perform करने के
परफॉर्म
लिए।
करता हूँ.
ये फिल्म करते ही है ताकि खुद परफॉर्म करके दिखा सके, तो बोलते कि सर मैं नहीं तू रुक पहले देख मैं कैसे कर रहा हूँ, ऐसा ही करना है तुझे. तो आई बट बाय फार हैविंग वर्कड a lot in comedy space and with some finest directors who understand humor very well, I have to say Induji is at least 10-15 times better actor than all of us put together.
Yes, so true.
Agree.
Yes, he
Agree.
is.
We are not a patch on him when it comes to expressing a scene. You know, in humor, there are a lot of spaces that you can take. And there's timing, there's pauses, and he can utilize everything with expressions. And I think that's brilliant.
So thanks,
Hi,
Ritesh.
Hi, this is Simrita from Filmikari. My question is to the director. This year, onto your left, please.
Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah. This year, we already saw two adult comedies, Masti Zade and Kya Cool Hai Hum. And this is the third installment in Masti. And you've already said there can be no saturation when it comes to adult comedies. But in the previous two movies this year, there were some scenes in the trailer that weren't a part of the movie. So that spoils the whole movie fun. So you think that will happen with Great Grand Masti?
No. What we show in the trailer will be there in the film. Definitely.
Yes, thank you so much. With that, we're going to end this round of questioning. Please give all of them a huge round of applause.
She has one question.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Sorry, thank you, Ritesh.
Yep.
And congratulations for your second child.
Oh,
first
thank
of
you.
all. Yeah. So Rian is now 3 years old. So 10, yeah, I
He's-
guess two.
I
two and a
guess
half
3,
years.
2.5,
Years
2.
old.
You've done such great homework. Let me tell you, it's 1.5.
Okay, he's 1.5 years old. So 10.
I'm mind reading a question. About 10-15 years from now, when Rian grows up
Will
he
and
be
he
able to
watches
see-
these movies,
Yeah, yeah.
what do you feel he's going to feel?
And we also
Isn't that what
know
you're
the
thinking?
answer.
Yeah.
You know, you sound like insurance salesman. देखो सर 15 साल के बाद कुछ भी हो सकता है, आप ये पॉलिसी खरीद लो. It kind of sounds like that.
Do you ever think what he'll feel like? I mean, if 10, 15
I'll let me
years
tell you, when I do film,
Before you're asking what he'll feel like before he's starring in Masti 21 or after?
If he sees these kind of films, he's done.
okay,
the-
I'll tell you one thing. When I do films, I do it because it's important for me how I feel about the films. Okay? And like you said, I'm sure I'm an actor, I'm making movies, so Rian can watch, I think, 2 years from now, and some after 18 years. Yeah, so great. Let him watch them.
Right.
If he likes them, fine. If he doesn't like them, that's also fine.
Yes,
But
perfect.
I'm thinking that every person will be an individual to decide for themselves. I'm not embarrassed about any of my work. Thank you.
Yes, perfect.
Good,
Lovely.
good.
Let's have a photo.